How you feel about getting some donuts?
I feel great. I love Buckeye Donuts. Buy Buckeye Donuts here in Columbus, Ohio. Only if they pay me for this. I'm just playing.
Alright, what's up guys? We are going to Buckeye Donuts today. We're on campus, OSU campus.
Let me stand up taller. Peace, love, and positivity. Look, it's Wendy's.
Wendy's.
Pretty good. Look, there's bacon. I told you they had all the food.
Yeah, man, there you go.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
This is Buckeye Donuts, one of the 101 places in Ohio that we visit. Would you guys like to give a history of Buckeye Donuts?
Oh gosh, actually let me get Jason the baker out. He can probably
Oh, cool.
We're about to meet the baker.
Okay, so best place we've done so far.
Man, Devion, you're the best.
We have a vlog series and we just do 101 places in Ohio, and this is one of the places that we're doing today. And we just wanted to know if you could give us a little history on Buckeye Donuts.
Sure.
You're not shaking. You need another cup.
The building's been here since World War II. It's been Buckeye Donuts since 1968. The owners were a family from Greece. The grandfathers when we started the business, and they decided to break away from Jolly Pirate and start their own. They want to pay franchise. Originally it was donuts, just donuts and coffee and juice, and that was it, and soda. And then about 10 years ago, Jimmy decided to bring in Euros. So it's the Buckeye Donuts and the Euro Cafe. And then we brought breakfast in. At the time, no one on campus was serving breakfast, except McDonald's. And McDonald's is, ew. So we kill on breakfast. And then we still do a great lunch with the Euros. It's been a family business for more than 40 years. I was avoiding my dissertation, so I would hang out in here. And then they say, hey, you want to cover the shift for a while? Sure. Yeah, so I guess probably 15 years.
If you could recommend 2 donuts to anyone coming to Buckeye Donuts, which would you recommend?
Well, the signature Buckeye donut, it's the chocolate and peanut butter donut, like the Buckeye candy. So we take a yeast tart shell, and we put chocolate around it, and then we put a scoop of fresh peanut butter, real peanut butter, not cream, just the peanut butter in the middle. The other one, oddly enough, that sells like mad, is we make a maple bacon donut. So it's a yeast bar that's filled with vanilla cream, and we put maple icing on top, and then we put 2 strips of fried bacon. When the students are here and like football season, I put them out 8 at a time because they're big enough that that's all you can get on a tray. And I'll go through 10 or 12 trays. We do pretty well. If you look up there, we have the best donuts on this.
I believe it.
2016, 2015, 2014, 2013. We have the benefit of the campus, which really helps.
Thank you so much for taking
You're
time
very
out.
welcome. What would you like to try?
I'll take that maple bacon.
Miles, can get a maple bacon for the gentleman?
Excellent.
Red velvet cream cheese.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I want that too. You were brave, Ernest.
Well, how?
I'm not going
That bacon.
the love of my life.
Man, listen, you never go wrong with bacon. Never.
Asha, what are you getting?
Oreo. That's the love of my life.
Hey,
Me and Debbie are
let
getting
you know
red
how big.
velvet.
We also do a Samoa donut sometimes, like the Girl Scout cookie.
I'll have to try
Oh my
that.
god, I wish I would
And
try that.
we also do a s'mores donut.
I may try that.
But
When we go camping, s'mores donuts.
Try a cronut. So you take a croissant with all of its buttery richness, and then you deep fry it, which makes everything better.
Wow.
And then you cover it in sugar glaze. And then you put it in, they would also put a little chocolate on it sometimes.
Make sure to get the Buckeye donut.
Oh yeah, we need to put one of those in the
Yeah,
box.
put one of those in the box.
Yeah.
That is so awesome.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm the stand. Actually, yeah, we went to Buckeye Donuts, which is really good with hospitality. So I
Yes.
recommend it if you want a quiet little place. Actually, it's kind of loud if the customers are in there. Yeah. But they serve breakfast all day.
If you're between the ages of 22 and say 25,
18 to 25.
They have euros.
Yeah, they do. They
Euros.
started. They were a Greek family. Originally started the business, and now it's expanded. So we recommend it. We're gonna try their 2 most prominent donuts, which he said was the maple bacon donut and the Buckeye donut, of course.
And Terrell says I'm gonna catch a high cholesterol problem with the maple bacon.
He will.
So
It's
may not
maple
see him
bacon
on
on top
this.
of maple
That's false.
sauce with a fried donut.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
We may not see him in the next video.
I got the best
So-
cholesterol in my family. I am perfectly fine.
yeah, so we recommend. We'll recommend it based off of hospitality right now. Then after
Yeah.
we'll try the donuts, we'll let you know.
Yes.
For now, on the lunch.
So we went to Qdoba. Yeah, for lunch, and it's pretty good. It's really good. Thank you. I want your reaction.
All right.
This is delicious.
Yes, actually, it's very good.
Ew. This is good. That's
You tried it.
I'm gonna take that croissant home.
I'll hold it for you.
This one.
Oh, this is
Ooh, I'm scared, but it's like the love of my life.
in here?
How is it?
It's not that bad.
It's not that bad.
All right, I got the same one as Debbie on, so let's see if we have similar taste buds.
You like it?